This is Marlene at Web Equipment, and we have a 6036 Skytrak that we're taking apart to sell all these parts: cylinders, rear axles, front axle. This one came with a 4 BT 3.9 Cummins transmission, lift cylinders. This one has a Danish Sparks axle with 10 lugs, cab, steering wheel, joysticks, accelerator and brake pedals. Again, this is a 6036. We haven't had one for a while. This one ends on serial 4047. Foam fill tires, left and right. Again, we have all these parts for sale. Extend cylinder, boom section, quick attach on the front. So again, this is a Web Equipment. If you need these parts, call us 1-800-225-3858. Thanks for watching.